Alright, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you in the dyno, we got a 347 475 horsepower engine combo. I'm going to go over a little about the build spec on this specific model. Start out with a late model 302 block. Did the SCAT rotating assembly with the Proformance pistons. This motor's got the Comp Cams custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft in it. For the cylinder heads, we're using the Edelbrock E Street aluminum cylinder heads with the 202/16 valves. For the valve train, we're using a stainless steel roller rocker with Manley push rods. The intake, we're using the Edelbrock air gap intake. Carburation, we're going with the Holley 750 Ultra HP carb. And for the ignition system, we're using the MSD Pro Build distributor. If you have any questions on this specific engine package or would like to customize one of your own, feel free to give us a call at any time at 1-800-267-3940 or check us out online at proformanceunlimited.com. Let's take over to Donovan.